On this episode of Texas Beard Adventures, we're in Minnesota and we're mushing.
It's kind of like, I think I can.
This requires a system.
This guy's not to be messed with. Not to be messed with.
Good morning. Welcome to Texas Beard Adventures. I'm Brad Harrell, your host, and today we're in Minnesota. Crazy. Look at this. This is a log cabin. Belongs to my buddy Adam Caskey and his family. We're over here. We're going to be here for, today's Wednesday. We got here yesterday. We did a little bit of ice fishing last night. Not much. Just to say we did it. Been doing some snow shoveling. Had to shovel all this out. Made a nice pathway here for the door. Look at all this snow. Chingo. Look at all that. That's 4.5 feet tall. Show y'all the cabin. That's the bunkhouse there up top. Everything is wood fired. Look at all this snow everywhere. It is a trip here, guys. I tell you what, this is definitely not Texas. I got Todd down here. We'll go down. Say hello, Tad.
Hey guys.
So look at this, rip roaring. We have to keep this thing constantly going. Come on, because we can go through that wood in a matter of probably 2 hours. No joke. All right, let's go. I'll go show y'all the bunkhouse upstairs, and actually right now I'll go out here, show y'all the Jenny shack. That's the track four-wheeler. That's the snowmobile. And I would have thought that the snowmobile would have done better than that, but that thing is a beast. It'll go through anything. That's the trail we came in last night. Oh, don't do that. God dang it. It's snow in my boot. Look at all that smoke coming off the roof. Have to keep, oh dang, I never noticed that. On top of the bunkhouse, look at all that snow up there. It's so heavy. That's the wood shack there. You getting it, Adam? I said, are you getting it? All right, I'm going back over here. Everything is a chore here. I mean, it's fun, but everything is a chore. Those are the snow shoes, or I'm sorry, yeah, snowshoes. Snowshoes that go on your boots. It expands the weight out so you can walk on the deep snow, because if not, you just right to the bottom. So yesterday, we had to put our snowshoes on to go across there, and look at that. See how deep it is? That is a swing set with the swings like way down there. Crazy. So it's, I don't know, it's probably 4 or 5 feet deep right there. Here is where we slept. Just go in here real quick. This is right above the sauna. So the sauna, there's 2 vents right over there. There's one right there. The heat comes up from the bottom. We got bunks here. There's a baby bed. I think that's a futon there. Nice and roasty toasty in here last night. I got up at 6, and the fire in the sauna, in the potbelly stove or whatever you want to call it down there, it's completely out. So I had to start from scratch. Luckily, we were prepared for that because of Adam knowing like what's going on. So we had kindling and the lighter and cardboard and all that to go ahead and reignite it. So I did at 6. So we remained warm. I mean, look, so that's a handrail. Somewhere below here, there's steps. Where? I don't know. Anybody in here? Here is the turlet. This is, it's not very warm. It's probably, I don't know, 30 something degrees in here. I'm surprised there's not a thermometer because Adam makes thermometers and he's a weatherman. So this is the humble abode. This is the main cabin. Another wood-fired stove right there, stocked with wood. Me and Mark did that. Say hello, Mark.
Hello.
Nice shoes, eh?
You like them?
Yeah, they're nice and toasty. So, start with the stove, oven, propane fired. I don't think this works at all. Yeah, it's just for looks. This is all of our water. We trekked it in. We got 2 5-gallon jugs. This is the pantry. Also pantry, pots and pans. It's another futon there. Futon, that's how they pronounce it, right? Futon. This is where Adam slept last night.
Nice and cozy.
Look at the view out this window. Woo! We're gonna go ahead and finish getting ready, and we're gonna go down to the lake. Whoa, baby! Good thing that pine tree was there, huh? Yeah. Oh man, walking in all this snow really takes a toll on you because it's so thick. I'm just talking to the camera. Oh goodness. All right, so we are officially on the lake here.
Check your ice hole.
Okay, good.
That's good. God, we're showing stuff all over.
Yeah, there's a bunch of lines on it. So what we got here is we got the Garmin. What does Kasky call it? The flasher, or what is it?
Yeah, flasher.
Flasher? Yeah. So those lines right there, all those lines, we're thinking those are fish, right?
Yep.
We got a depth of 17.4. Oh, look, that one just moved.
Yep.
Finally got the ice hut up and ready to go. Go in here.
Yeah, we got the clam already. All right, so I need you guys to get that skirt and then shovel around it a little bit. We'll do that. We'll shovel snow around the skirt to help hold it down and insulate.
Oh, okay.
And it'll keep wind, well, although we don't really have any wind right now.
No.
It'll keep our heat in.
Gotcha. So the procedure is to go ahead and drill multiple holes. How many holes you got here, Adam?
6 so far.
6.
Do 2 more.
We'll do 2 more, so there's 2 for each of us because there's 4 of us. So that way we can each have a pole and multiple holes. So supposedly it's a rite of passage to drill a hole with the manual auger. Mark over there, he's been working on it for about an hour?
No, not that long.
Not that long?
Maybe 40 minutes.
40 minutes? I have not done one yet, but I will. I ain't gonna shy away from it. Let's just say that. Yeah. All right, Mark.
All right.
And it's a lot harder than it looks, folks. We are in the clam.
Mark looks a little tired. Here we go. Shit, nice.
I wonder why. He's only been digging a hole for a while now. So I've got my pole in the water. Well, not the pole, but the line. There's our Garmin right there. Down there at the bottom, right there. Down there at the bottom. That's my lure right there.
All right, here's one for Mark.
So there's the bobber. And you just let it sit in there. You just watch that bobber down there, kind of like fishing at the coast in Texas. And that,
Yeah, we gotta retie you too.
it's too, yeah, he said, Adam says it's too heavy. Because the bobber should be sitting
We got a little aggressive.
like
Oh, there you
up
go.
there,
Yeah, like that.
like that.
Yep. See
Oh,
that
mine's
little
moving
love?
around.
Look, they're tapping it, but they're boom, boom, boom.
Oh yeah,
Boom.
I see it.
Yep, they're loving it. They're just not taking it. Welcome to walleye
Mine's
fishing.
moving around a lot. Like not up and down, but side to side.
All right, let's see if I can do something with it. All right, so watch. Then I'm just gonna take the line, do a little. Oh, I got a fish on. Got a fish on.
You got a fish on?
Do you really?
Nope. Felt like I did. Messing with me.
All right, we got us some steaks.
Look at that.
That looks beautiful. Look at this. We are cooking steaks on a little Weber. Got our worker over here. He's getting, Mark.
Yeah, he's the wood man.
Drinking some coffee.
Oh, are you going to the main room? Where do you want to go?
Surrounded by snow. Oh, baby. Come on, Kasky.
Got something. Yeah, something. Must. There we go. All right. Ready?
There we go. Now you're
Nice.
moving.
There we go.
Now
She's
you're
on.
moving.
Now she on. Woo! Walleye on, baby.
Come on.
Oh yeah,
That's-
she's jerking.
Oh,
she's-
yeah! Woo!
Yeah, baby.
Woo! Well, we're doing catch, clean, cook tonight, folks,
Yeah, we
with a little bit of walleye.
Eyes on the ice, baby.
So we're in the cabin. Finally got the walleye in the sink, and
She's thawed out.
Kasky's gonna show us how to fillet it up, and we're gonna throw it in some batter.
Yep.
Cook her down.
Follow that backbone.
Oh yeah.
So it's just like a trout.
Same
Yep,
thing.
same.
Just like a trout. But it's white meat all the way to the tip right there.
All the way to the tip. Tip is the best part. Good restraint. Look at that. Look at
Got a
that.
little liver there too.
Oh,
Then you
man, that meat is like,
break it.
mmm.
Then you press it down and
Oh, yeah.
here, you hold the cardboard for me. Thank you. And you let the knife do the work, but there we go.
Wow,
Good
look at
fillet.
that.
Look,
is
okay,
nice and
Adam,
clean.
you
And then-
actually flayed that pretty
Yeah,
good.
and then you just
I will give
take
you
the little
that.
rib bones out of here.
Right, just run them down, run them out.
and you're good, you know? But that's how you do it.
All right, so Adam's gonna do the other side, and then we're gonna get it all battered up and throw it in the oil.
Yep.
So good.
Yeah.
Ooh, walleye. Smells good.
Flip it, man. It's
Yeah,
almost
flip
like,
it.
right?
Yeah. Ooh, it smells
Oh, shit.
delicious. You didn't even flip that one. Yeah. There you go.
Won't take long either. Oh yeah, let her sizzle.
It is like,
Oh my god.
oh.
Oh my god. Yeah, just dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it. Oh my god.
Smells good. Cheers to her.
Walleye. Yep.
Yep. Todd was right.
Uh-huh.
Like butter. Boy, that is good fish.
butter.
That's
Right?
really good fish.
Yep. It is like butter.
It's the best fish you ever put in your mouth.
Yep. Finish it up, boys.
That's some good stuff right there. Like Chuck would say, that's good loving. Well, it is extraction day. We're all loaded up for the most part. cleaned up, cleaned the house, cleaned the bunk, cleaned the sauna. Man, it is a chore to get out of here. We've already done one run last night. I didn't video it just because it was nighttime and I didn't figure there was much point in it. But we got our sled all loaded up. Got the Traxmobile, got the snowmobile. Y'all ready, boys?
Just about.
Ready?
Ready. I hope y'all enjoyed this episode of Texas Beard Adventures. It was truly an amazing trip. I thoroughly enjoyed every bit of it. Beautiful country up there in Minnesota. Big thanks to Adam and his family for allowing us to go up there. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Check me out on Instagram at Texas Beard Adventures. Me and the wife and the kitties do all kinds of crazy stuff over there. And I'll catch you on the flip side. You dang hillbillies. Yes. No. I want everybody on it. Everybody.
Go, three.
First.
Now, try to run. You dang land.
Oh,
Way to go, Fred.
Fourth beer.
Patrick.
ain't sitting too good.
Wow! Chicken! My chicken got loose. Hey, have you seen my chicken? 10% really got me going.
Is that DNR?
All right, cook those. Cook those two.
What does that mean?
Salt, pepper, garlic.
Nobody knows what it means, but it's provocative and it gets the people going.
Oh, pretty bird, pretty bird. I'm gonna eat you with jalapeno in the middle and wrapped with bacon. Oh, pretty bird.